heading towards our next stop, which is Irkutsk, which we get to at 9 o'clock the day after tomorrow. 9 o'clock in the evening the day after tomorrow, which is hard even to contemplate really that it's that far away. And we've had a disaster. We bought some beers yesterday thinking, oh well, drink them on the train as we've done in the past with a film, and we left the beers in the minibar fridge in the hotel. Obviously this is a no blame culture, so I cannot say who's to blame, other than to suffice that they are currently on a train to Siberia. Katie, fancy meeting you here.
Welcome to our cabin.
So how you doing?
I am doing pretty good actually. Yesterday I was a bit discombobulated. It was a bit stressful getting on the train. We had this weird, prolonged, almost argument with the attendant on board about the sheets, and we still don't know what she wanted. So yesterday was a bit weird. I think we're a bit sort of, the train is a bit older than the ones we've been on before.
Nice wood panelling.
Nice wood panelling, so it was a bit difficult to get settled, but I think today I didn't sleep great, but I'm feeling a bit more rested.
Nicer weather.
Nice weather.
Beautiful
nice
sunshine.
Down the platform, so I'm feeling pretty chipper.
So we just got out. You're at Siberia's largest city. Did you have any? Did you meet anybody when you were out and about?
Yeah, so I have been teaching the locals some English. So I stopped to get some more drinks. And the man at the kiosk was chuffed to learn the English phrase okie dokie. Which I said to him, he was like, okie dokie, I like that. So that is my contribution to Siberian culture.
Cheers. This is our second, by the way. The toilet. Evening dinner, trans-Siberian style. Come on then, Katie, what we got?
Well, I think this might be some sort of chicken.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, chicken stroganoff with rice.
Delish.
Shall I open up yours?
I think it might be the same, but let's go for it.
Oh yeah, more chicken stroganoff with rice.
Delish. Goodbye pot noodle. Morning, Katie.
Good morning.
It is Pektapar time. Off we go.
Breakfast.
Breakfast. Yay. Looking forward to that.
Oh, I'm starving. I'm so hungry.
We've got another 10 hours to go to complete our 3,500 kilometre journey on this train, which, when you put it in those terms, is just extraordinary. But this is our longest journey of our entire trip, isn't it? I hope so. Please.
Yes.
We've got a few more overnighters to come when we go into Mongolia and when we go into China. But this is our longest journey, and as you can see, it's quite pretty outside, very autumnal, and I'm looking forward to a good night's rest tonight in a proper bed in a hotel.